Galaxy Note 9 or any Samsung device has these secret codes to find out about the device hardware is working fine and also if the device is original or a fake one. You can use these codes on any Samsung Galaxy. The codes are harmless and feel free to check them out. They might not work with some carrier like Verizon and also if you have a fake Galaxy smartphone. Otherwise, it should work with all Galaxy devices. In this video, let's see how these codes work. But before I start, kindly subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you will get notified every time I post a new video. Open the dialer application and type in *#O*#. Now you should see this menu. First of all, if you see this menu means you have an authentic device. Basically, this is to test the hardware of your device if everything is working fine. Now click on red, green and blue. Inspect the screen carefully to check if you have any dead pixel on the screen. When you click receiver, you must hear this sound. Mega Cam basically is your main camera. Click to take a picture. Click on sensor. You can see here Note 9 comes with so many sensors, while a fake device will have just 2 or 3 sensors. Click on LED to see if LED notification light is working fine. Also here you can check if your S Pen is working fine with your device or not. You can check the drawing functionality. Inspect if you see any dead pixel. Also, this is one of the main tests you can do on your Galaxy device, the touch screen test. You should draw from your hand all the corners and inspect if you find any dead pixel which is not working. Important thing to note here is Samsung device do get these issues. Suppose it fell down or because of screen bleeding issues, as Samsung uses OLED screens, and the cost to replace the LCD is almost half the price of the phone. Unfortunately, there are a lot of devices affected by this issue. So these are the main tests you can do on a Galaxy device. Suppose for some reason you have an original Galaxy, for example Verizon version, and these command doesn't work with your device. No need to worry, you can type in *#7353 and then again hash. You should see a similar screen like this. Now this is also a similar test screen to check the phone hardware. Here you have an added functionality to check if your device Bluetooth is working fine or not. Also, you can test your accelerometer. So that's it guys for this video. If you have any questions, please write me in the comments and I will definitely reply you back. Also, you can click here for the playlist of Note 9 videos here. I'll be making more videos on Note 9, so stay tuned by subscribing to my channel. See you in my next video. Till then, goodbye. Peace out. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also, click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you will constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.